Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. You feel me? So I'm gonna go to dive right into this little download that I had come in. So fam, this is something that's really important to do on your journey when it comes to really trying to attract like bigger blessings into your life, right? But it's pretty much simple, like making sure that you are giving back to yourself and having balance in this lifetime and not just giving so much to the system, right? And what I mean by that, right, is because typically it's real easy to get caught up in the rat race, the everyday rat race, right? And be like, oh, I need to get this done and I need to do this because of these bills. And notice how I said, like, you're at that point, you're really focused on the system itself instead of your own system, which is going within and pulling out what you really desire and actually having it manifest into the physical aspect, right? And to have that happen, you have to start doing little things. So, for example, like if you're at a job right now, right? On your paychecks, like what are those paychecks going towards? Is it just living paycheck to paycheck to get by, you know what I'm saying, to survive out here? Or are you actually trying to do things to align yourself, right? Because you can always do things to align yourself with something that's much greater, to attract in much greater out there, right? It doesn't have to be any limited beliefs. Like you can achieve anything, you know what I'm saying? Like you can be getting money, weekly, bi-weekly, however, and be like, you want to really get into like fashion or dressing or something like that. Start buying yourself like small clothing items, you know what I'm saying? Like one clothing item a check, two a check, maybe some new shoes. Cause slowly, eventually, that's gonna add up, and you're gonna have like a whole wardrobe going on. You know what I'm saying? It's about like the smaller things in the process that lead up to the bigger picture, right? And then out of nowhere, you'll start feeling like you're really in this new energy, right? And you're really feeling good because you're looking better, you're looking good, feeling good. You attract better into your life naturally. So you'll be in a whole nother swarm of abundance and prosperity. And that's just with anything. You have to be able to give back to yourself and still make sure you are good and not so much just focus on the system, because sometimes it calls for us, we get to these little breaking points where it's like, bro, fuck, like what else do I have to do? You know what I'm saying? Like you got to really pour back into yourself in order to really fulfill that full light that's within, to really be able to be the source and be able to walk around and be that healing energy and be attracting anything, because you're a straight up walking magnet for health, wealth, abundance, prosperity, everything that you can name. But it starts with the small things, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe it may be, you know what I'm saying, you want to get a haircut, but you know what I'm saying, you've been really trying to hold back on spending bread on the haircut, so hair's all every type of way, you know what I'm saying? Like it's little things that you give back, give yourself back, you know what I'm saying, give back to yourself. And you know what I'm saying, that's how you end up manifesting and being in the pure enlightenment loop of just abundance always swarming your life. You won't be limiting your belief, because look fam, like this is what happens as soon as we tend to be like, nah, I don't want to do this because I need to save money. You start to adapt onto the identity more and more. And if you want to step into this new version of you, you have to actually embed that version of you. So what is that version actually doing, right? What is that version of you actually buying without actually looking at the bank account? Do little things like that and watch your life start to change. You're literally rewiring your whole subconscious mind from a lack mentality to you can have it all, for real. And it's fully possible out there. It's about creating new possibilities for yourself every single day. And these types of things feel really uncomfortable to do because it's something that we aren't really taught, you know what I'm saying, growing up, until you finally start diving into your own world and figuring out you and enlightenment, you know what I'm saying? So just a quick little downloaded message that I had come through, that you know what I'm saying, had to come on here, spread the love to y'all. So overall message, don't forget to pour back into yourself, you know what I'm saying, because at the end of the day, and sometimes it's about like, if you want to impact the world or impact someone else, things like that, you have to pour into yourself like 100%, you know what I'm saying, to feel good. And that's how you attract better around you in your environment and things like that. But if this video was useful, leave down in the comments Share this video out to someone that needed to hear. You know, this is divine message, divine timing. If you're watching this video all the way through, shout out to you. It was meant for you to hear. But as always, fam, subscribe down below, get this video a thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications. But as always, it's your boy out. Peace.